Roman, natáčaj, bože. Čaute všetci.
Train to Pick Vlog 1.
Prvá epizóda.
Ceremoniál.
Je to pohodinda, no. Strašné zápchy.
Nemôžeš kričať, to nie je oné, do vysielačky.
We're here, baby.
And now welcome the athletes from Slovakia.
Jak sa cítiš? Výborné. Smeš. Čo máš za workout? 4 km biker, 2 km veslo.
Tak hnusné, ako som čakala, ale veľmi som sa prekvapila s mojím výsledkom, takže som veľmi spokojná.
Čo cítil na workoute?
Dobre. Bolo to rýchlejšie ako v gyme o 15 sekúnd.
Ja som mal lepší.
Bicykel išiel ťažšie ako v gyme. Veslo som rozbil.
Ako? Jak sa regeneruje?
Výborné. Daj bodku.
Co robíš teraz?
Pozerám si Circle Mail.
Kobe with the shot, cooking like a pot, yeah, that shit is hot. Popping like a kernel, I was never taught. CBA, never said, I've been on my for 7 days. Need a raise, swear to God I'll never be the same. TBH, TBH, yeah, CBA, never said, I've been on my
No! Pocity pred druhým dňom.
Dobre.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer.
Dúfam, že to pôjde rovnako dobre ako včera.
I can feel my leg and my heart.
Nepatrí sa rozprávať spolu. Nejdem sa súťažiť s tými dievčatami, lebo sú to pomerne 2 workouty, ktoré si musím ísť podľa seba. V jednom sú striktné handstandy, paraletáž a druhé je maxko na snatchový komplex, čiže tam to najlepšie, ako budem v tom momente vedieť.
Ty máš aké pocity pred dneškom? Čím? Pred dnešným dňom. Môžeš skončiť.
Started out with half and I flipped it in a double.
O, super! Jak sa cítiš?
5. Dobre.
All of my diamonds to hit, I believe it. If you got money, then give me a feature. Straps on my body, I feel like a cheetah. Shawty, she want me, I don't wanna meet her. I get it back and I'm doing the most. I'm making hits and I feel like the GOAT. Now I got money, I'm making it toast. These bitches on me, they doing the most. I get it back and I'll do it again. Shawty, she on me, she telling her friends. You want a feature, then give me a band. I'm making money, I don't make amends. They keep on telling me I ain't Flip a bag, now I'm serving a Tesla. Going back, shawty with me, I stepped up. GTA for the ops, ain't no less up. Shawty born to be my angel, yeah, I'm blessed up. Cooking right up in the stool, gotta check the fan. Yeah, I'm watching out for ops, yeah, they not my fans. People treat me like I'm Sony, cause I got some bands. Was a loner that was hustling, now I'm feeling stands. I've been sticking to my paper like I am a staple. I ain't going back to safer, I ain't really Out of eyes tryna put me on a t-shirt. Shorty want me so bad, do your knees hurt? Yeah, I'm counting paper guap in my beamer, yeah. Choice. If you want one, there you coming with a paper. I ain't texting shorty back, see you later. Yeah, you catch me on that gas, I'm a racer, yeah. Lil' shawty, always out of molly, you ain't really got a talk, so like what?
Oh my god.
Hey, nobody finna come and
Stop it.
I know what you want, but you ain't gonna come top me what? Yeah, I gotta check, I'm finna cop Balenciaga. Yeah, I'm living with no stress, I don't gotta carry
Shit. God damn it.
Máme po Super Bowl 2024, kde Maťo obsadil 22. miesto, Ema 32. a ja 7. miesto v kategórii 19-20
rokov.
No, takže Slave kusy oddychu. A tvorí chlapi makajú do top 5.
Super bolo.